What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be unboxing Naruto Ninja Storm, no, Ultimate Ninja Storm 4. And then here's the back, the perfect storm. Team 7, only 2 of them, and then there's a trash can behind them. Kayuga, Obito, and Madara. Oh yeah, I heard you can switch between characters now. From support to the first character you choose, the main one. Oh, it's gonna be an update for this probably. And then there's no manual, no nothing, just a disc. Really miss the days where they would give us manuals and stuff. Oh yeah, I also got this, which I opened already. Oh, what? Oh, I was gonna make it. Oh, fuck. I was gonna ruin it. I don't know why they would do that. I thought it was gonna be like. Alright, I'm gonna have to do this fast because I don't have enough memory. Oh, hurry. Alright, here's a little figure. Looks pretty cool. The box.